Hi, I'm the moon. I light up the night and change shapes. Sometimes big and round. Sometimes just a tiny slice.
Let me teach you how to create lip sync like this using AI. First, go to 11 Lab and drop your text. Choose your animation voice, then click on Generate Speech. Next, go to History. Click on this drop down to download my voiceover. I'm going to go ahead and drop in another text here. Click on the voiceover artist and choose that of animation. Then I'm going to go ahead and generate the speech. I'm going to go to History again and then click on this drop down arrow to download it. Next, I'm going to go to Adobe Express and choose any character. Choose any character. I think I'm just going to scroll down and choose this one. Then go to Browse and bring this voiceover I generated from 11 Labs. Wait for it to animate the characters. Just be patient. If you are still watching up to this point, please do not forget to subscribe and watch to the end, because this is a lip sync tutorial you do not want to miss. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on download. Then I'm going to go ahead and animate my second voiceover. I'm just going to click on back. Then change the characters to smile or happy instead. I'll change it to happy. Then go ahead and bring the voiceover, the second voiceover from 11 Lab. Then wait for it to animate my character. Okay. It's almost done. I'm just going, and you have to be patient for this. If you are still watching, please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you. Then click on download, head to Canva, click on video, click on YouTube video like this. Then head to elements, just click on elements, then choose any cartoon background and set as your background. Next, search a girl, click on graphics. I think I'll just pick this girl, she's my favorite girl in Canva. Then head to shapes, click on see all. I'll just go ahead and search this shape. Go to color and change the color to the color of the skin of the girl. So I'm going to adjust it and use it to cover the mouth of the girl. Just adjust it till it covers all. Next, I'm going to duplicate it, then turn it around so that I can cover the bottom part of her mouth. Okay, so just manipulate it. Now I have covered it. Next, go ahead and group all of your elements. You see, I've grouped it. Then click on group. Now all of my elements are one. Next, head to upload. Click on video. Then click on upload file to upload all the file you animated in Adobe Express. So I'm just going to click on open and it will come to Canva. Then go to video. Now you can find them here. Click on the first lip, then click on background remover to remove the background. Now all you have to do is resize the mouth or the lip, resize the lip, then paste it on the face of your girl like this. So you can see it's all done. I'm going to go ahead and write the title for this project, Canva tutorial. Then I'm going to go ahead and group the girl and the lip together. So you can see all my elements are one. The second example, click on this plus button to create another video Canva. Go to element and then choose this background, set it as your background. Then go ahead and search moon face in elements. Just type in moon face, then click on graphics. Then you can go ahead and choose any moon face of your choice. I'll just pick the second one, or this one rather. Adjust it, then you can resize as much as you want. I'm going to head to element and bring this shape, change the color of the shape to the color of the moon, then paste it on the mouth of the moon. Just make it cover the mouth of the moon. Adjust it again. Next, I'm going to go ahead and group it, the mouth and the moon together. I'm going to group it so that my elements are now one. Next, I'm going to go to upload, then video, bring in the lip I created using 11 Lab and Adobe Express. Click on remove BG to remove the background of the lip. Then go ahead and adjust it, place it on the face of my moon like this to create a lip sync. Yes, adjust it, then do not forget to, group. Go ahead and group it so that your moon face and your lip will become one element. So you can go ahead and create yours. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this account and leave a comment. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.